Okay, here's my first OSMO Mobil 6 gimbal camera test with my iPhone, and we're gonna go out and look at something I did to the house. See that pipe sticking out of the wall? There was one on the back just around the corner where you see that bigger blue one that was broken and chopped off, and it had to be replaced. So when the contractor chopped it off flush with the wall, it was also this smaller diameter size, like 1.5-inch pipe, and I replaced it with a 2-inch pipe. And one of the problems with it being chopped off right at the wall was the water. This is mostly some rainwater collects up here. It's a concrete deck with a curve, and our air conditioners have these drain pipes that come right out. It's supposed to go right out this pipe right here, and there was too much water, and for some reason it's like really corrosive. You can see the paint came off the side of the house from some weird acid or something that comes from the condensation from these 4 air conditioners. So anyway, it was the 1.5-inch size diameter, and it was broken and flush with the wall and not working very well, and the wall was getting the paint completely removed. So I decided to replace it with a bigger one, and I drilled it out with a core drill. I drilled right through the old hole and just made it bigger. And you can see right here where it's all new now. So these conduits will just go in front of the hole eventually. Stuff is still drying here, but anyway, that's it. Next week is weed eating work. This whole lot behind the house is about 1 acre, and it was scraped clean last May, and it grew 6 feet high in a lot of places.